Welcome to this modern Craftsman-style home located in a wonderful Lake Oswego community. This quality-built home is thoughtfully designed with a fantastic floor plan. You'll enjoy excellent Lake Oswego schools, and it's walkable to shops, dining, entertainment options, and the Lake Grove Swim Park. Plus, lake easements are available. Heading inside, discover a light and bright interior with an impressive stone fireplace, soaring ceilings, gorgeous hardwood floors, and custom shades throughout. The great room opens to the gourmet kitchen. It features granite counters, a large island with an eating bar, a walk-in pantry, double ovens, and a high-end gas range. You'll find a convenient butler's pantry by the formal dining room. French doors lead to the office or den. Unwind in the main level master suite with a tray ceiling and a walk-in closet with its own washer and dryer. The beautiful master bath is well appointed with a dual sink vanity, a large shower, and a separate soaking tub. This nearly 3,200 square foot home has 3 large bedrooms on the upper level, 2 with walk-in closets. It also includes a 3-car garage with plenty of storage, a high-efficiency gas furnace, and air conditioning. Relax or entertain in the fully fenced landscape backyard, including a patio with a gas hookup for summer barbecues. It's also in close proximity to Bridgeport Village and the freeway. A beautifully designed home in a fantastic Lake Oswego neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.